Hi there, we're here at the Halton Hills Public Library. I'm going to show you a really fun and simple craft to make with our grab and go kits. So you will get the Flying Owl kit, which comes with an owl, some wings, some fasteners, and a popsicle stick. All you have to do is color in this beautiful owl, which I have already done. And these are my wings. Colored them in. You can color them in any way you want. You can do the whole wing a color. You can do it in stripes like I've done it. And there's my owl. I've colored him in also. And then there's little holes. You can stick a pencil through the hole to make them. They're already on the little, you see them there. They're very hard to see, but up close you can see them. Poke the holes through. You put the wings behind the owl like that. You stick the fastener into the hole and all the way through to the wing. There you go. Then you've got that. Open up your fastener and then you have got a wing. Do it on the other side and then you've got your popsicle stick, which I've done here. I've taped it on, and you will have a beautiful flying owl. Enjoy, everybody!